Hello there, this is Trish from Pinky's World, and I'm just popping on to share a wee book I made myself so that I can back check on a certain stamp set. The one that I did this wee book for is called Cardio Biscuit Buddies, and it's the cutest wee thing with the wee tiny stamps. And I kind of looked at it and said, oh, what am I going to make here? So I thought I'd do a wee mini version of each of the stamps and variations just to give myself something to go off. And I used their Winter Wishes 3 for a couple of the sentiments to fill the book. So I just used scraps. I had scraps on my desk, and I think these are from Stampin' Up. This is a piece of washi tape, and I just typed this out. I copied their logo and the name of the stamps, and I think I'll try and do wee books for any wee stamps that I have, and I have quite a few, but you never use them because you just forget about them, or you don't look at them, you say, oh, what am I going to make with this? So I used tattered lace dies for the wee shapes, and I basically made the book out of the scraps that was on the table. I think I have a wee tiny bit of the brown left here and very little of that other colour. So I made it to suit my scrap size more than anything, and then hunted out a die. And I've used a machine stitch up the centre. I've joined two pages back to back because they're only one-sided. This one isn't from Stampin' Up. This is a different paper. I think it's basic grey. So they were only printed on one side, so I put them back to back and then started to do my stamping. So I cut out 10 of these wee shapes and just worked my way through the stamp set. So the wee mice are so cute. I just cut them as this wee set. I mean, I'm not selling this or incorporating, doing anything to push cardio. I'm just showing you what I made to help myself out. So this is the sentiment I chose because it fitted inside. I added a wee piece of ribbon so they can tie it closed. Excuse me, and marked it as I said on the front. So each wee one is to give me an idea of how I could use them. So, and I've added snow to all of them and blue just using the ink that was on the dirty brush. And so I've went, and I'll show you the stamps as you go along. This wee one here I've used, and the wee tree. So, and then just added snow. It's so cute, like, isn't it? I love it. This one I used the wee gingerbread man and just put them across as if they're going to decorate the tree. This one is just caught this lovely biscuit out of the sky. It's like they call this a bourbon, I think, on the show when I saw this being advertised. Again, I've went with two wee mice sitting with their backs to you, like they're looking up, and I hung the wee decoration strip. So much in this wee stamp set for all the size of it. This one is like it's falling off the tree and they're grabbing it and he's standing on top of him. All good wee ideas, just that might not pop into my head when I need them to. The biscuit barrel is just the cutest. I did all the wee biscuits and then added colours to make them look like M&M biscuits or something. This one, they're trying to build a wee tree out of the biscuits, so they're helping each other here. And then this one, the wee gingerbread man are popping out of the barrel, and a couple of other wee biscuits lying about. And again, another wee sentiment. And I just thought it was the cutest idea for me. It's going to help me a lot, and it'll sit beside my stamp, so I'll always have it. As soon as I pull it out, I'll be able to go. And I just tie it in a wee bow to keep it neat and tidy. And like, again, a wee scrap, I'm into using my scraps up at the minute. Or not even scraps, I'm actually trying to work my way through all my 12 by 12 papers. So that's what I came up with. That's the stamp set, and that's their other one. And cute, I love it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you all again soon. Bye.